Presenting Redmi 9 Prime that comes with Aura 360 design that features concentric pattern for better grip. The phone features Corning Gorilla Glass for a splash-proof design. It is available in mint green, matte black, space blue and sunrise flare colors. Redmi 9 Prime is available in two variants, 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage. The memory is expandable up to 512GB in both the variants. The phone comes with dual SIM and a dedicated SD card slot. Redmi 9 Prime features a 6.53-inch Full HD plus IPS LCD display with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio that gives you an immersive viewing experience. The IPS display produces accurate colors across a wide viewing angle. With a 2340 by 1080 pixels resolution and 394 ppi pixel density, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. The phone also comes with ambient light sensor and proximity sensor. Redmi 9 Prime has 30-megapixel quad rear camera setup with ultra-wide and macro lenses. It also features an 8-megapixel front camera. The phone runs on Android V10 operating system. The Mediatek Helio G80 octa-core processor allows you to easily multitask. The phone comes with a 5020 mAh battery with 18 watts charging support. The box includes handset, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide and clear soft case. The product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to the product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.